Hi there, it's Sam from pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. I've got a little tin of treats for you. So these are the new round tins from the new mini catalogue, but I've decorated it with stuff from the annual catalogue. And these are surprisingly large. I was really surprised as to just how much I could fit in it. So in here I've got a little mini bottle of L'Occitane shower gel, Amande. I've got a Burt's Bees lip balm. I've got a Burt's Bees, I don't know what that is, hand cream. Oh, and I've got two hand creams in here and another L'Occitane one, so that's part of a pair. So these are little miniatures, little treat sizes of things that you would have. And yeah, they're small. They, you know, nice little gift if you're one of those who likes to assist a hotel with their toiletry supply. You could put lots of treats in. So that's one of them. Just a simple decoration on the outside. This one I filled with other things. So I've got a little nail polish that I found in my inspiration drawer. I think it's been there a while because it seems to have separated. I've got some hand salve. I've got a lemon butter cuticle cream. Best stuff ever. I've got lip balm, and I've got another lip balm. So that's Body Shop and Burt's Bees, and a little tea bag. So that could be a nice little gift on somebody's pillow if they're coming to visit you. So yeah, remarkably big. Yeah, 4 inches across, so 10 centimetres. Pretty awesome. Right, let's decorate. So I've got the Playing with Patterns paper and the Playful Alphabet dies, and I've got some Night of Navy, because actually what I'm aiming for are these colours here. I don't want these ones, I want those colours. I love the combination of them. You can see I've got them here. It's Night of Navy, Purple Posy and Coastal Cabana. Just gorgeous. Love it. So, oh, I don't remember, what size did I measure this at? I want to say it was 2 by 4. 2 by 4 inches, 5 by 10 centimetres. Yes, it was, that's right. So, let's get cutting. Okay. So, 2 inches by 4. And I want to aim to get that Coastal Cabana just in there, but not the crushed curry. So, that's fabulous. And it's all stuck. There we go. Move that to one side and get my triple banner punch. Oh, which way round? Am I going to cut off some of the navy? I think so. So this is our triple banner punch, which means you can have 2 inches. I think it's 1 3/4. 2 inches, 1.5, and 1 inch. So 5 centimetres down to 2.5 centimetres. So you get different widths, which means they stack and layer nicely. And I'm just going to double check that's lined up. Easy. Job done. So easy. Right. Okay, let's get my big shot. I'm filming this ahead of when my new cut and emboss machine has arrived. So I will have been able to buy them now, and anybody joining as a demonstrator will be able to get the new cut and emboss machine. But yeah, like I say, I'm filming this ahead of time, school holidays and all. Right, so Playful Alphabet. Love this die set. They're not massive dies. They're nice, just plain ordinary font. A little bit whimsical. So if you look at the H, for example, the H, the bar across the middle is not in the centre. It's a little bit lower. Just brilliant. And you've got multiples of a few letters. So there's 2 O's. There's a couple of A's. Here's the brilliant bit. So let me spell for you. Look. The outline of the letter is there on the backing, so that you know you've got everything back in place. So I'll have an F, O, I need that Y. Where's my R? Oopsie. For Y. There's another O. And where's my U? There. For U. And unlike last time when I was trying to cut them all lined up, I'm cutting into cardstock, so it's okay. That's gone through that way. Shift that out to one side. And they've all popped out, so. And yeah, you just put them back on your sheet. Oh, look, they're all stuck to that magnet, so you know that you've got everything. I think that's brilliant. What a clever idea. Particularly when you've got duplicate letters, you would not want to be assuming you'd got everything, all of your O's or all of your A's and what have you. So I just think that's very clever. Okay, let me... Where did the Y go? Oh, the Y's lost a Y. It's still there. So goes off there. Do you know what? I could have done this with my foam adhesive sheets, but I haven't, so that's okay. Right, where's my little bit? And I'm going to use glue dots because I love a glue dot. Glue dots like me, we're friends. So I'm going to use some glue dots and turn everything over the wrong way round. I can feel when they're the right or the wrong way round. Okay, and start spelling. So I'm going to start with the O in the middle first. And then start attaching my letters round. The Y and the U are not as wide as the F and the R, so it went arched, and then I'm going to go straight here. But yeah, like I say, a tin of little treats. You know, if you've got a guest coming to stay, oops, that came off. You know, somebody coming to visit you, nice little treat on their pillow for them to find when they go to bed, perhaps. That could be quite nice. I need my, these are the Playing with Patterns resin dots, so it's all the same colours, but it's got the crushed curry, and I don't want the crushed curry. That, I think, will that be a little bit pale on there? Let's have a slide. Oh no, that will show up. So we've got purple posy. So, whoops, a big, a medium, and then a small. So yeah, crushed curry, purple posy, and the Coastal Cabana. They're fabulous, but yeah, there's no shine to them whatsoever. And then I'm going to tie a little bow. On this one, I did put some more up there, but I felt it was a little bit too much. They got a bit lost. So I can tie a bow if it's not attached to something. What's that all about? Where's my good red ribbon scissors? Here they are. And I'm going to pop this on. Oh, yuck. Mini glue dot alert. So where are my dimensionals? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run these down the centre, and then they will stick to the plastic. It's not glass, it is plastic, but they will stick to that and it will remain flat and flush. And then I'll pop my bow on afterwards. And then a bow with one of these runaway mini glue dots. Oh, they've all unravelled. Oh no. There we go. Super cute, I think. I like to say they hold quite a lot. So they were 4 inches, 10 centimetres across. 1.25 inches deep, which is a shade over, well, it's not quite 3.5 centimetres deep. And yeah, I was really surprised how much I could fit in there, because I was kind of thinking, well, you're only going to get sweets in there. Or maybe, you know, a small scarf stuffed, you know, tied into a knot and shoved inside. But actually, that's lots in there. Lots. So, but yeah, I really like them. I thought that was something fun, non-festive, despite the fact that these have come from the winter catalogue. But you can use them for anything. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.